Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates, revealing the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently use your screwdriver or a fingernail to pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.